Good afternoon, peeps. This is a GS R1200 which has spent the last couple of months since the start of June gone around Africa. The owner needed it cleaned and obviously gotten rid of all the nasties it would have picked up. So he brought it to me, and as you can see, it really doesn't look like a bike that's spent the past couple of months around Africa.